What's cooking? Good looking. Today we are building a thing. This thing is this thing, which I don't exactly know what it's called. I think it's a sensory table. You've got sand one side and water in the other. IKEA make them for like $100. But let's try and make one a lot cheaper. Now, this is for my friend at work. She has a child and that child would like one for its birthday. So we're going to do this in one day, hopefully, if we don't screw it up. So let's get cracking right now. So here's our materials. We've got this, that and that. So let's get cracking into it. Alright, so here's our frame, which we just made out of this pine, and we also have the plywood on the bottom, which creates the shelf. Yet another feature that you can get on a store-bought one. So now we need to make a top. So I was thinking about using some of this cypress, which just smells amazing. I love the smell of it. Putting these over here, and then we'll create a little top. But there's a catch, because as well from having a little top on here, it's going to be pretty useless if we don't actually have the thing it's intended to do. So we got some of these little buckets, and they'll sit down something like that, so the sand can go in one and the water can go in the other. Alright, so now we can just chop down this cypress. here is this outdoor sensory table that I built for a friend at work, and I think it's turned out mighty fine. Now, I don't have a kid to test this out on, but apparently sand goes in one side and water goes in the other, and they can like play with it or something. I don't know, that's just what's going off in the photo I saw. Anyway, I've also put a little shelf on the underneath here, which you didn't get on the bought one from IKEA. And I did make it for $60, which is $40 cheaper than what you would have done when you bought it. Now, this was mostly assembled with the internet's favourite form of attaching things, which was pocket holes. Even though everyone turns out to hate it, I have tested my strength on it and it will hold me, so I think it's going to be plenty fine. Okay, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.